My name is Nasari Brenda. I've been in Centralview High School. I'm 17 years old.
My name is Jomhenda Letisha. I was learning at Mountain Henry's and I'm 17 years old.
My name is Nawil Maureen. I've been Mukono Mix Secondary School.
I'm Joan Tendo, Mountain Henry's School.
I'm Namara Mebo, 17 years. I'm from Dutton Secondary School.
What motivated us to come here was to learn how to use a computer, how to create our own email addresses, how to create a store using e-commerce, how to print and saving our work. Our final project was making washable sanitary pads. What motivated us is that in rural areas, the school girls, those young girls and women do not have those sanitary pads and they cannot afford them. So we sell sanitary pads at a lower price to those girls in order not for them to drop out of school. I would like to give those girls an advice of they can do everything. They have to be proud of themselves. They have to be confident. They have to believe in themselves. Everything that comes across, they have to attend to it. Not to leave their problems away, but they have to face them and solve them.